FLY down 3.43%. This is Monday, the 22nd of September 2025. Just before it plunged, or rather before it lost 3.43, it actually printed an intraday high of 53.50. As a matter of fact, this loss was actually more than this. It was up to 15%, so it has actually recovered somewhat. And obviously, the stock started trading on the 7th of August. Since that time, it debuted and just went south. It just of late that it began to recover. Recover the losses it printed. Okay, so what do we have? It's the company disclosed its earnings outcomes. Let's listen to what's going on.
Alert: Firefly Aerospace, Fly, slips after first earnings report post IPO. Firefly Aerospace is trending lower as the company delivered its first quarterly earnings since going public last month, and the results have sparked debate among investors. Decreasing widening losses, shrinking revenue. The space and defense technology startup reported a net loss of $80,300,000 or $5.78 per share for the quarter. That's a significant jump from $58.7 million or $4.60 per share it lost in the same period a year earlier. Revenue declined to $15.5 million, down from $21.1 million a year ago. Analysts surveyed by FactSet were expecting $16.8 million, meaning the company fell short of Wall Street's already cautious expectations. The dual hit of widening losses and declining top line growth has some traders questioning whether Firefly's momentum from its IPO can sustain. Mixed investor reactions. Bulls argue that early post IPO weakness isn't surprising for a capital intensive company still scaling operations, pointing to Firefly's deep backlog and recent NASA and defense contracts as reasons to stay optimistic. Bears counter that the financials highlight structural execution risks, with slowing revenues raising questions about the timing of contracts being recognized, competitive pricing pressures, and the company's ability to scale launches profitably. Competitive landscape. The latest results have reignited comparisons with peers like Rocket Lab and Intuitive Machines. Both companies have faced similar challenges, balancing rapid technological milestones with investor demands for revenue growth and profitability. The debate now centers on whether Firefly can outpace peers or fall into the same volatility cycle that has plagued other small cap space stocks. What's next? Firefly's future performance will likely hinge on how quickly it can convert its $1 billion plus backlog into recognized revenue, the success and cadence of future launch missions and lunar programs, and continued support from major partners like NASA, Northrop Grumman, and Lockheed Martin. For now, Fly's stock remains highly volatile, with traders split between viewing the pullback as a buying opportunity in a high growth frontier sector or a warning sign of deeper financial headwinds.
Okay, so that's what's going on. See what you make of Fly stock. And thank you very much for watching this video.